Hi, this is going to be very brief. 4 years ago, almost 5, I made a video entitled Caig, manufacturer of DeOxit D5 and F5 and other cleaners and things like that. Perfect Straw is far from perfect on their DeOxit product. It was sort of a rant video that I made because I was unhappy with the fact that they went from the original style can, which this is a low, medium, high can where you can adjust the spray nozzle for different strengths of spray. It's got sort of the typical red straw thing. And they went to this new, what they call the Perfect Straw, which was this flip up yellow straw thing with a different nozzle, no adjustments for pressure. It's messy, it's wasteful, it didn't work well for what I was using, and I hated it. And I made a video about it because it totally cheesed me off. That video has been very popular on our YouTube channel. It's had over 30,000 views, which is a lot for us. And it has almost 300 comments, and most people agree. And many people, as I understand it, having been contacted by Caig a couple times about it, have contacted them to tell them how unhappy they are with their Perfect Straw thing and all of that. Things have changed. It was about a year and a half ago or so that they reintroduced the original low, medium, high spray cans. So now they are both available. This is the Perfect Straw. This is Fader F5 cleaner. It's the only Perfect Straw can I have left because I don't use this that often. But the D5 stuff I buy a lot. Normally I buy 2 or 3 cases at a time because we use it on everything. The point of this video is you can stop ranting about it now, because there is a choice. You can buy the DeOxit D5 in the original low, medium, high can, or you can buy it in the Perfect Straw can if that's what you prefer. It's your choice. Some places sell the low, medium, high original style can for a little bit more than the Perfect Straw can, and I don't think that's Caig's doing. I think that's the seller's thing, where maybe they realize that there's a lot of people that like this and they can get a couple bucks a can more for it. I don't think it's really right, but that's what you can do because, you know, it's free enterprise. You have a choice. Original style can, Perfect Straw can, whatever your flavor of the day is that you like, you can go ahead and choose it. It's good to go. You don't have to call Caig anymore because I don't think our video had a lot to do with them bringing it back. I think it was an outcry of people all over the country that use their products and they realized that, hey, one size doesn't fit all. The other thing I'm going to do, which I will put a link to the original video up here somewhere so you can go see that if you want to see the rant about it. I'm going to do something on that video that I've never done on our channel before, which is I'm going to close the comments on it, because there's nothing more to say. This video will take that video's place. As most YouTube creators, I'm not taking a video down. It's been there. I'm not taking it away. It's part of the history of the channel, but I am going to close the comments on it because I don't have anything to say. I don't have any new responses. The problem has been addressed and solved, and what are you going to do? So that's it for today. Just a short little video about the fact that you can get the original style low, medium, high pressure cans if you want. You can buy the Perfect Straw cans if you want. Caig products are really good. Not going to get into debates about I use this brand and I use that brand. This is what we use. This works well. I know for a fact it's a good choice. So if it doesn't work for you, that's fine. Doesn't matter to me one way or the other. But around here, this is what we use. I hope you find this interesting, and maybe for someone it will be helpful. If it is, give it a thumbs up on YouTube because that helps us just a little bit. There'll be a banner right here that shows you how to subscribe. Go to our YouTube homepage, click on the bell, and when you click on the bell, click on it to receive all notifications, and every time we post a new video, you get a notification and you can watch it. That's all for today. See you on the next video.